be making an apple pie today. When I can my apples, I make applesauce, and I also can apple pie filling. So my recipe for my pie crust is super simple. You just have to remember 3, 2, 1. 3 cups flour, 2 cups butter, 1 cup water. That's it. 3, 2, 1. So let me get this finished and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put it out on. So I just put it out on a very lightly floured board, and I'm going to divide this in half. This recipe makes one. Well, actually makes two. Makes the top and the bottom, the shell, and you got to set it aside. And then I'm just going to roll it out, and I'll put it in my pie pan. Just a sec. So you just basically roll it out like you would any other pie shell. But what I wanted to make the video on was the 3, 2, 1. How to remember to make a pie shell. And this turns out really well. I use any kind of butter. A lot of people use cold, you know, the real butter, unsalted. I don't. I just use any kind of butter, even if it's, you know, margarine, whatever. So then you fold it over, put it in here. There you go. You got your bottom pie shell. I baked mine for a little bit. Okay. Normally I would bake it a little bit. I'm not going to bake it this time because I'm putting I'm doing my apple pie. So, that's what that is. Okay, so here's my canned apple pie sauce. I make it, it's super easy too. Super. Everything I do is like cut corners. I don't do it dangerously, but anything to save time. So instead of just doing, can be applesauce, or it can be my pie filling. And today, it's chunky enough, it's going to be my pie filling. So, sorry, I don't have my tripod. So I'm just going to open this up. And I've had questions on this. This is just a, it's a wine deal, a wine bottle opener. That's all I use to open my jars. So, let's see here. Pour it in. Probably going to take 3 pints. Oh man, if you can smell that. And I might even do 4 pints. We'll see here how it goes. Some of these pints have more cinnamon in them and nutmeg than others, so that's why the color difference. Let's see here. Whoops. I think I'll do 1 more pint. Let me go get it. Okay, I got 1 more pint out of the pantry. Oh, if you could smell this, holy cow. Okay. Let me bring some of that pie dough up here. There we go. Okay. Put that out there. Oh man, oh man. Get these in the sink. So now I'm just going to roll out the top pie shell. Okay. Get it rolled up. All right. Got this all done. crimp it. Poke some holes in the top. So this video is not to show you how to make an apple pie. It's to show you how easy it is to remember how to make your pie dough. 3, 2, 1. 3 flour, 2 butter, 1 water. And I do my own, I can my own apple pie filling. So there it is. Put some vents in it. And I'm going to bake it. Okay, it's all done. I'm sure you all know how to make a pie, but I made the video to show you how I do my pie crust. 3, 2, 1. 3 flour, 2 butter, 1 water. Super easy to remember. And it's always really light and flaky. I'm not going to open it up, I'm not going to cut a piece out because I just took it out of the oven, and this is for dessert. If I cut it open now, there won't be any pie left for dessert. So if you have any questions, put them in the comment section, and I try and answer all of the questions. And I hope this helps you to remember to make your pie crust. 3, 2, 1. Have a cool day.